In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero to Excel. This tutorial will guide you through each step in the process, ensuring that you can successfully transfer your financial information into a format that is easy to analyze and manipulate. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Simply type xero.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the site loads, you'll see the familiar Xero homepage. You should notice a login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you should enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't see the login option immediately, make sure your window is fully expanded, as sometimes elements might be hidden on smaller screens. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your control center where you can navigate to various parts of your account. Now you need to locate the specific data you wish to export. If it's a report you're after, click on Accounting, and then Reports from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you need to export invoices, bills, or contacts, you can navigate directly to those sections right from the dashboard. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on exporting a report. Within the Reports section, you can choose which report you wish to export. Let's go ahead and select Profit and Loss for this example. You'll see a list of available reports, and once you click on one, you can customize it to suit your needs. This includes setting a specific date range or adding filters to refine your data. Doing so helps in generating a report that meets your requirements, ensuring you only export what you truly need. With your report ready, look for the Export option. This button can usually be found either at the top or the bottom of the report screen. Clicking on Export will prompt you to choose a format for your export. Select Excel Dart LSX if you want your data in Excel format. While CSV is another available option, Excel often provides a more robust and easy-to-read layout for further data manipulation. Once you've made your format selection, the file will download automatically. After the file has been downloaded, you can open it in Microsoft Excel. This will allow you to view and interact with your data in a spreadsheet format, giving you the flexibility to analyze and format your financial information as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to export data from Xero to Excel. With these steps, you should be able to effortlessly transfer any financial data from Xero into a format that's more conducive to detailed review and reporting. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.